Good afternoon, sir. This is Bernard Dimas, Scout Hotel. How many are you?
I would like to request a new cable type that my friends want getting.
Sir, may I know your name, room number, and accommodation number?
My name is Jeffrey Simulation. ID 2346. Accommodation number is 1235.
Of course, may I know your friend name?
My friends name are Elacio and Kevin Nicolas. They will arrive in minutes.
Thank you, sir. We are happy to assist them. Have a nice day.
Alright, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. Welcome to the hospital. May I need assistance with your language? Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. How may I help you?
We like to get our unit for our room.
Sure, may I know your name? Room number and accommodation number.
My name is Nicolas and my room number is 356 and my accommodation number is 124.
Thank you, Mr. Ennis. I see your accommodation. However, it looks like you don't have a hard identification number.
I'm sorry, what do you mean?
The issuing a room with a legitimate ID for security purposes. Would you kindly give me a legitimate ID such as passport or driver's license? Let me just get this ID from this one. Everything looks good. Here's your room. Please take a seat. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you for your understanding. Have a nice day.